voice goes up. Okay, hold on. All right, hold on. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again. Here we are on the 11th of August with my buddy Brent. We are going to kill it. And so what do we have? Yeah, so the list today. Yeah, the one that I sent last night. Okay. We have just the good ones, the Uber Riot and SQ. I'm already saying that I don't like SQ because of the price point. So, you know, these expensive stocks, they easily expand their or widen their spread, and they eat you up. You know. So I'm not so fan of the high prices. You know, I wanted to say something, Brent, the other day. I have been forgetting it, and I will say it in the class. I will repeat it again. You know, widespread is like they keep you as a hostage. They take you as a hostage. So it doesn't matter where the price goes. You're held in negative. Okay, even if not negative, your profit will be kept at a certain level. So it never comes to your profit and your benefit. Widespread is no good, and so because of that reason, I don't want to trade stocks that they open. They widen the crap out of the stock, their spread. You know. Yeah, it's bad. Like yesterday I was trading this FULC, not FULC, and this they widened the spread at some point to 60 cents. For 3 minutes, I was in negative. What the stock was is 60 cents higher. So yeah, they just can easily destroy you. So, yo, the man of the hour. What's up, bro? Samovsky. Nothing, we were just trash talking you. Oh, no, don't say that. Uh-huh. Short. Yeah, short. Yeah. Yeah, so that thing over there, it could easily become a Momo hammer. You know, we can easily ignore that, and because it's just a candle, it's two down, but it gives a bullish signal, a strong bullish signal. But there is a thing that when you look at the daily, Uber we are stuck in the mother bar. So because we touched the upper bar, rejected, now we're gonna go for the lower side of the bar, the low of the bar, and then touch there. So we're gonna have a bearish signal. It's not clear for me. The signal is not clear unless we get lower than yesterday's close, obviously. But we'll see over there what's going on and how things are. We have QS. Let me see. Stop. Hold on. Q. All right. QS. Yeah, I hear you. Weekly is on. Weekly is already on MPG. Now PMG. What's that? No, forget about this. I see the magnitude around 29.34. You see all of these red candles, the open of the candle with long wicks on the 28/6 of 2021 on the weekly chart. I see the magnitude, the open of that candle. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. One thing that I don't like here, that we are in a nasty range. That we are in a very nasty range. Let me add volume to my daily chart to see that who's who. So yeah. So on daily chart, when you look at it, we had a volume, increasing volume, and then it went higher. But yesterday the volume dropped significantly. It's still more than 2 days ago, but dropped. So it's not increasing, and it gives me cold feet. Maybe I don't touch it. We'll see. Maybe I don't even touch this thing, but we'll see. And something funny. I mean, it's funny to me. It is the second time that QS and SQ, they both appear on the 212 list. It happened. It happened a couple of days ago. It never happens stuff like this. That the name is so. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Volume? They're 29,000 at the moment. The volume is trash. Hmm. Yeah, I don't like these sort of moves. And you remember my rule in creating the watch list? No stocks should have more than 1% of uh, wicks. Look at the wick on this thing. I'm like, for God's sake, make your freaking mind, man. Like, what the hell is this? Where it gonna go? So, no, I'm not. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yeah, I see what you mean, yeah. To Hulk. A pullback to Hulk. Mm-hmm. Mm. Hold on. It's 122. It's out of the closet 122. Classic. Everything red. The bottom part of the chart is empty. One of the most important factors. I don't trade based off fucking MAs, but you see all of these wicks and all of the chart the last 3 days is stuck. It doesn't go higher. It's because we have a 200 MA at 53.03 on daily chart. Yeah, so I totally see what's your point of short. I'm with you on the short side of this thing. Mm. 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 So let's take a look at the yesterday's list. Okay, I haven't checked Neo from yesterday to see that what Neo is doing. Neo is for going to the downside, looks good, but we are ranging, and I'm not liking it. There is a conflict between what I want and what this stock is offering. Which on the lower side is less than 1% or even 1%. It's good, but I don't like the pre-market action. It's just too bullish. Space. Then we have Lee. No, Lee is trash too. Lee actually is good. Lee is 2-2 rev on the weekly. It's already pushing to the lower side, and yeah, it made a 3. Not a 3 actually. It's almost a 3 on the daily. Yeah, let's go. Let's see what happens. Lucid. I don't like it. Activision. I'm not liking it. I don't know what happened. My chart is messed up on Activision. There's some bad print going on over there that it messes with the chart. So I'm not so keen on it either. BYC, BY, oh shit, BYS, no. Jimmy. Well, actually, Jimmy, it might, but there is more power for 2-2 continuation. You know, there is more power for 2-2 continuation. There is no volume on it in pre-market, so I don't know, but yeah, I don't know, man. It's just it might do the same that we just said, but there is no. It is too. It has been grinding down hard, so. This is just like someone's talking to me in a foreign language. I don't understand it. The other one, what was the other one that you said? Jamie and? All right. Space Neo XPEV. Well, XPEV looks to be a full bullish day off of a choppy move, so yeah, pass. But it's a juicy. It could be a juicy 1-2 bearish reversal, but the weekly doesn't give that signal. So hence for daily, we don't have that. Anyway, let me see what Tesla is doing. Baby Tesla 2-2. I see Tesla for a bullish move today. Tesla for a 2-2 rev and to the upside. Magnitude 730 at least. Well, that's just me. Hold on. Okay. All right. I think we're good. I got 4 stocks, QS and Space for long. Uber and Uber and freaking DraftKings for short. As you mentioned, Sam, space eventually short, okay? Space eventually for short, but I'm not liking the initial initial short on this thing, right? I'm not liking the initial short, so I rather prefer a pullback to the upside and to get to the freaking yesterday's close, touches the MA, and then drop back down. And I'm going to short it from there. But until there, we have almost $2, $1.80, 7 cents. You know. Do you know? You mentioned Hood. Did you mention Hood, or it's just me? Yeah, that's true. The freaking long, last week's, we are still in the price discovery on Hood, especially that Hood they had just their IPO, and I guess Hood must be one of those most manipulated stocks ever. Yeah, they're based on this freaking platform, Robinhood, but they are the baby of Citadel, right? So the way that they control the price is just by manipulation, right? There is no actual value into their stock. Their company is a manipulative company. The prices that they give are manipulative. The stock flow, the market flow that they provide is manipulated. So I don't know. I don't have a reason to trust their price. And one thing very important, they are keeping the price in the range of the big short 4 days ago. The first massive short, they're keeping in that range. So they're exhausting the longs. They're killing the longs, and shorts are not going anywhere. So I don't know about that. 300,000 in pre-market volume is not insignificant, although it's much more than QS. Uber, the space has 1 million volume already. DraftKings 100,000. So the only one that's moving good at the moment is space. It's promising. So I don't know. Let me put Hood on the list too. But Hood, DKNG. Now I like to have QS space. Well, space. Voila. QS. What's the best one? DKNG was okay. DKNG in the short list. DKNG is the one with the highest volume in pre-market. Then it is Hood. All right. DKNG, Hood, and Uber. So how you doing, Brent? How is everything over there? Yeah, Fubo has been under news soon. $1.7 million in pre-market constant volume. It's good. I'm really not liking the gap that it has. Do you like to walk in a dark room with your eyes closed? Okay, you freak. Okay. Yeah. So as I said that, yeah, I'm not a fan of it because just it does not provide any significant information about which direction this thing can go. You know, it doesn't give you any information that any of those information that are essential for us as traders to see that, yeah, you see that there's a support here, oh, there's a resistance here, oh, it can turn around here. Nope, it's just straight right up. Yeah, but it's the way that it is. But I mean, it's me, you know, it's me that I'm not liking this. So many people, they're just trading this sort of heavy traded stocks with gap, right? As a space, as the QS. They can move in which direction? You're gonna buy 10 shares and just let it ride in whatever direction it wants to go? No, I don't know that. And for us as momentum traders, I don't say anything in it. Well, we will see. Let me go back to the. Okay. So that's the one that you're gonna watch today. Yeah, me neither. I have these. Yeah, that's the point. Yeah, space looks lots of promise today, and both Uber and space, they look promise, especially that Uber is dropping lower than yesterday's close. So we already at the price point that I mean that for my strategy is perfect. In pre-market, we hung out around yesterday's close, and then now it's time to drop. Yeah, I'm going to short it. 1 minute ORB. Yeah. Uber. Space. No, space. I'm long on space. On space, I'm gonna go long. Yeah, and until 31.28, and then I'm not sure that it's gonna be a short movement and a bearish movement. Short? Why I even said that? Bearish move after that, you know, because it's gonna conclude it's almost daily ATR. So I'm not so sure. I'll be back in 1 minute, alright? Oh, alright. So, yeah. So, my man, you have a good one, and then once you're done or you finished trading, just let me know so we could go for training today. Yeah. It's gonna be good. We'll take care of that one. If not, at 3 is defined that we're gonna do it at 3. Okay? Yeah. All right. Sam, you pop off too. Have a good one, my man. Yeah. Take care. Yeah. Bye. Alright guys, let's go. Okay. Open in 3 seconds. Let's go. Yes, let's let the 1 minute candle settle down and then we go on 1 minute ORB. Most probably on DraftKings, Space, and QS. 3 stocks at the same time. All right, let's go. All right, Uber short. Okay. We have Uber short. Space was short. I'm short bias on Space. I just needed to let it to ride to the upside, and once it pulls back up, then I will be thinking about going long on it. At the moment, it's not possible. All right, so QS is on the rise. We need to get out of this range. I was thinking about going long on 2340, about that area. Okay, I missed around 40 cents on hood. Okay, here we are. Once the raise of volume happen here, I'm going to short. Okay, Uber about to reshort it again. We need to have a close underneath, lower than 13. Alright, Space is just gone now. Like I said, I'm short bias on Space, but it's just too late now. Just too late. I'm not gonna chase. I'm not liking QS. Hood might be, but we're stuck in the range. We need to get out of this a bit lower than the pre-market, lower than yesterday's close. Good. Okay, Hood, we got it. Let's see what happens now. Uber. Alright. Alright. Let's see Uber. Show me what you got. Yeah. We'll be watching for any extreme reversals from here. All right, hoodwink me out. Let's ride Uber. Look at that. Let's ride Uber. Okay. I'm not going to like Uber if it comes back higher than this. DraftKings. Yeah, come on, Hood. Okay, so I'm expecting a drop down now, a full flush from here on Uber. If it pulls back up, I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. I'm loving the DraftKings move. I will add heavy. Once it breaks the LOD, I will add heavy. Oh, come on, Hood. Ah. Just being too picky. I'm just being too picky. $1.30 in one candle? Oh, okay. That's called mismanagement. Alright, so I have been just talking on mute. How about that? While I was being mute. So I said that hood. I'm really expecting this thing to become a red candle. If it doesn't become a red candle, that would be a closing position signal for me. I will be here in maximum next 10 minutes because we have a 2-2 ref. We are already moving with higher highs. If it breaks higher than this high, I'm out. But I see a very big potential in drop back down. And sorry. So so this is called if it comes back down, it's not, but if it comes back down, it becomes 1-2 bearish reversal. If it doesn't, it will continue to be the 2-2 continuation. That is lower than this candle, and we have a 2-2 1-2 bearish reversal. I'm not liking that that is holding above R3, below R3, and I'm gonna get out if it doesn't break. If it gets red, it drop like crazy. So better to get out fast. There you go. If it goes back up again, I'm going to join the trend, but not now. When we break this S3, I will add to my position. We need to get out of this range. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so I'm already very heavy in Robinhood. Unfortunately, DraftKings is moving to my direction, but I'm out already, and I don't have buying power to buy this thing. Very, very small shares, amount of shares, and very small. Like this position even doesn't worth mentioning. So I will be, the moment that it drops back down, I will get out. This is my magnitude. Alright, hood is about to go green. I'll go drop down, and higher than this I will get out. But I see a big drop in this thing. There you go. But the push got rejected, and so we have a stair-step volume. This is a good sign, and it's not a good sign that the volume reduced here. Let me see what happened to DraftKings. Alright, there you go. That's more like it. Alright, let's see. So my range order is here now. So this is a very interesting situation, also at the same time dangerous, because we have the highest volume of the day, and then after that the lack of volume and the lack of movement. It means a reversal. So if it doesn't continue, I'm a little bit worried about this trade that I'm in, and I might even get out. So I am very careful with this. It might drop now from here. Price is telling me that there is a drop happening. Yeah, there you go. And the price was right. The price is always right. So why it came out British? The price is always right. Oh no, always right. English is not my first language anyway. So Sisa Stasi is like this. So let me say on space what happened, why space is on the long list. So space, my idea on space was that space gonna pull back up to the higher levels of daily. You can see I have already levels planned for it. So I wanted to short it from above. And if you look at the pre-market talk that I had with Sam, that I was looking to short this thing, but around higher levels. And even if you look at my prices, 3016, 3015, 3093, 3129, 3128, all around this area. But it didn't, so I'm not going to chase this thing. Hood I might even get out. I don't like these wicks. Hood, I don't like these wicks. I'm not seeing anything stopping the price for next 50 cents. Come on, give me drop. Yeah, it's a stair step up. There's a very good chance that it may drop heavy. There's a good chance. At the low of the day, increase in volume. That's a good sign. Okay. Yeah. So I'm already 20 hour in the day. I mean, not 20 hour. This trade in particular, it would have been 200 shares and 200 shares, and it would be 3 hour. But I'm heavy. I'm actually all my buying power in this trade. Not recommended, but it is what it is. When you know what you do, you know what you do. So I'm expecting a pullback from here. I'm expecting a noticeable pullback from here, but maybe at S4, which is always is a heavy support, important. We will see. Or I can just go pull back a little bit and just let it play a little bit, and then to maximize my profit. But I know that from S4 we're gonna have a pullback. On 5 minutes, everything looks promising. So I'm going to put it back a little bit, but we will see from here. If it closes above, I don't like it. But if it closes lower, that would be a very good sign. We have a stair step of volume. We have a step of volume, and this is the first blue candle. It could be ham, it could be Momo. If it breaks lower, it's gonna drop. There you go. Yeah, so this low is even higher. So it could be a pullback, but we'll see. I'm expecting, it's my expectation, it has nothing to do with reality. You see, on 1 hour we have a too much of a, actually, actually there is a low of the mother bar here, and things may get saucy here. I will get out if it pulls back. I just missed on $500, and it would be 20% of my profit. There you go, I'm out. There you go. All right, 10 a.m. like always, I'm done. All right. So from here, market may give a turnaround, especially that we have both S4 and the low of yesterday. You see here, there was the first sign for me was here that it may turn around here. So I could get out when it got at the bottom. The difference is around 50 cents, and with the share size that I had, it concluded around $600 for me, even more, $800. So it was not a good out. This one was not a good out, but I mean, I just do with my technical analysis. I don't care that how it looks like. I just follow what I think it is correct and what to do, what I should do. Let me just set. All right, so so let's see what happened. I will be back in a second with a recap of what just happened today. All right, thank you for watching the show today. I know that I'm just more looking into the monitors and stuff rather than just speaking directly to you guys, but this is basically just for me and to see how I do things, and later on I can follow and review my own trades. But you are more than welcome to watch it. So I'm doing something here that works for me, and like my Twitter account, it is not for you to copy, to learn or anything. It's just for me, for my daily diary and trading journal, visual trading journal, because I'm using TraderView already. So this is just a visual stimulation of what I'm doing here. So this was another trading day. It was good, and in a minute I will do a market recap on this thing, and even I may continue the stream, but I want to finish now this video. But I will start another one any second. Oh, I get some follows and alerts here. All right, so have a good one. Until tomorrow, have a good one.